If you recently found out you got into nursing school, congratulations! That's amazing! You have taken the next step on your nursing journey. And I bet you're kind of nervous about it because let's be honest, who wouldn't be? Especially with all the horror stories floating around out there. But you're not going to hear horror stories from me because my name is Nicole. I'm the founder of yournursingtutor.com, and my job is to help you get through nursing school confidently and calmly. And pre-nursing students are always asking me how to prepare to start nursing school. And this is always what I say. I start with, you expect me to tell you what content you need to memorize or review or relearn or learn in advance. But success in nursing school is not only about the content. I couldn't even tell you how many nursing students come to me because they have all the things memorized. Their instructors are telling them, I don't know what to tell you. You seem like you're doing all the things I tell you to do. And yet they're still failing their classes. Now, it's not them, it's the system. Because nursing school switches things around on you, it's different than studying for classes before you were in nursing school. And so the same study skills do not apply. Which is why the advice I always give pre-nursing students is 4 things. Realistic time management. Having a plan for test anxiety. Because believe me, even if you don't have test anxiety before nursing school, there's a reasonable chance you might develop it. That's not a horror story, that's just facts. So we're gonna address it, okay? 3, you need to know how to do dosage calculations. Because most schools have a required dosage calculations test where you have to get maybe 100%, and they might not even take a lecture class to teach it to you. They'll expect you to be able to do it on your own. But why do it on your own when I can teach you how to do it? I can teach you dosage calculations in 1 day. 1 hour really, but then you just have to do some practice. And then the 4th and final thing I recommend to all pre-nursing students is learn a better way to study. I teach with the Silver Bullet study system. It's an easy 4-step method that mimics the way experienced nurses think so that you can learn to study like a nurse, which automatically will translate into thinking like a nurse. And since all of your exams from here on out are designed to test how you think, can you see how that might be a pretty good idea to think like a nurse when you're in nursing school being tested on how to think? If you want help with not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, but all 4 of these things, I've got a pre-nursing bootcamp coming up where I cover all of them. And if you go to my profile link, you will find the link for my pre-nursing bootcamp so you can see what dates are coming up for my next live, because yes, it is live. And yes, I teach it, which means yes, you will get to talk to me. You will get to ask me your questions, not just questions about the bootcamp, because honestly, at the end of each of my pre-nursing bootcamp, I do it usually in 2 sessions, I will answer any question you have about nursing school if you show up live. In the meantime, make sure you give me a follow so you can get all the good nursing school tips. Share me with your pre-nursing student friends. And I hope to see you on the next live pre-nursing bootcamp.